Hello everyone, I am Lithium X. I am a long-time holder of the HOT token. A purchaser of the Holo port. Everything you will see here is my own research. I am not a financial advisor. My opinions are based off my own experiences in crypto. Please click the like and subscribe button and turn on notifications to get the latest Holochain news from Lithium X. Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in today. As we approach beta and altcoin season, more exchanges around the world are taking notice. Biconomy Global is proud to announce their new listing of the HOT token. Who is Biconomy Global, you may be asking? Founded in 2019. This exchange is located in Canada. And it has a Canadian trading license and has also received a US MSB license which allows US citizens to use the exchange. Biconomy Global only hosts high-quality projects and coins. It is also possible to buy a cryptocurrency for fiat using the ADV Cash solution. Biconomy Global's daily volume is 4.4 billion with over 300,000 active users. Deposits are now open. Earlier this month, VVS Finance made an exciting announcement with their new listing of the HOT token. Who is VVS Finance, you may be asking? Based in Singapore and founded in 2021. The meaning of VVS Finance stands for very simple finance. VVS Finance is a DEX. And it is currently rated 24th overall compared with other decentralized exchanges at the time of making this video. And provides a range of capabilities including staking, trading and swaps. Calling itself the gateway to the decentralized finance movement, the crypto project ultimately wants to reach billions of people. Despite the crypto's founders being anonymous, the project is supported by Crypto.com. More volume is on the way. Famex Global is proud to announce their listing of the HOT token. Who is Famex, you may be asking? Founded in 2019, the cryptocurrency exchange is based in Australia. The name Famex is the combination of famous and exchange. Famex started its trial operation and officially launched services in January 2020. It now provides services to more than 30 places, including Australia, Singapore, Taiwan, Malaysia and the United States. Trading is now opened. As you may have seen, public testing on the longitudinal HAPS milestone has continued and has now been running for about a week with over 600 people using Elemental Chat, our proof of concept chat app. As we've said, this version of Elemental Chat includes sharding. Even as the Holochain dev team continues to optimize our sharded gossip algorithms. The test is about demonstrating peer-to-peer Holochain apps continuing to function on the Holo hosting infrastructure for weeks on end. We may soon be adding another HAP to this network, but we'll wait to share about that until it is ready. Currently 300 Holo ports scattered across the globe are hosting Elemental Chat. How can I try Elemental Chat via web browser, you may be asking? Please go to testholochain.holo.host and click Start Chatting Peer-to-Peer. Remember, Elemental Chat isn't a production app, so the chat experience won't be perfect. If you're having issues, try these two tricks. 1. To hard refresh your browser. If you are on Windows and Linux browsers, press Ctrl plus F5 at the same time. If you are on macOS and are using Chrome or Firefox, please press CMD plus Shift plus R at the same time. 2. Try a different browser. Chrome, Firefox, and Brave are most reliable. See you in the chat rooms. Lithium X. Exciting news: the Holo team has recently announced that Elemental Chess will be added to the longitudinal HAPS soon. Earlier this month, the Holo team released a public statement regarding hosting USB. It reads, "We wanted to share a quick update regarding the below initial statement. We realize there is a disconnect for some people between Holo's published statement about the hosting USB project and the advisory role of Arthur Brock. As we mentioned previously, this shows the challenging, sometimes messy reality of building a more distributed world while Holo and members of our team try to cultivate a multitude of new apps and businesses in the ecosystem. Though Holo seeks to support these new projects whenever possible, we aren't incubating every team as a business and certainly don't seek to control every decision they make. The hosting USB team has removed most of the branding concerns we initially raised and are working with apparent good intentions. As far as we can tell, they are also attempting to honor refunds for those who ask for them. We continue to be in conversation with their team around what a mutual agreement could look like, just as we are with many other projects. A Memorandum of Understanding, MOU, is the next step before a joint statement. We look forward to updating the community when we have something more concrete. Regarding adding additional hosting in the future, we're still laser focused on reaching beta and building a fully functioning Holo network that runs on Holo ports. We are excited about the possibility of adding and supporting other hosting devices adding themselves to the network after the initial launch. As we plan for the future of distributed hosting while supporting the health of the entire ecosystem, we'll continue to do our best to update the community. Thanks for your support. Art Brock, Mary Camacho, and the Holo team. Attention all developers. Holo is committing upwards of $2 million to build and foster an ecosystem of developers. The statement reads, announcing the Holochain Developer Education Initiative. Holo Limited is very pleased to announce the launch of our Holochain Developer Education Initiative. In the coming 2 years we are committing upwards of $2 million to build and foster an ecosystem of developers. This work builds on past efforts, especially those of the Holochain Open Dev community, and will create efficient, effective, and scalable curriculum to educate experienced developers on how to code and build apps and products on Holochain. Holo is exceedingly pleased to announce that Marcus Phillips, co-founder of Hack Reactor, a preeminent provider of immersive developer training, has joined our team as an advisor and is contributing pivotal leadership to this initiative. Our plans are to further evolve various educational programs and work with ecosystem partners to build pathways for developers into projects through funds, grants, and employment in order to meet the present and future demand for additional Holochain developers. Many of our long-term community members will recall our No Hype Global Adoption Strategy blog from last year. This initiative is a direct and long-term commitment to that strategy, which is focused on people learning how to build Holochain applications that can and will be hosted on Holo. This educational initiative has the backing of the entire Holo organization, including executive leadership, operations, and marketing, and will evolve to coordinate with our business development team to enable partnerships and growth for the entire Holochain ecosystem. To kick things off, this summer we'll be inviting developers to apply to participate in a 2-week Rust and Holochain on-site training program in Europe. The full details of that event and application process will be announced within the week. This immersive program will serve as a prototype and will be a first step in the development of online programs, curriculum, as well as developer content. And on that note, an update has been announced on how to apply for the Holochain and Rust developer training, hosted by Holo. We invite experienced developers in the community to apply for this groundbreaking immersive experience. This is not a beginner programming course. We expect devs to come with a sound understanding of traditional full-stack programming. If you already have significant Rust experience and are willing to test out of the Rust portion of the course, you may qualify to participate as a teaching assistant for the first week and receive a discount on your tuition. This is a great way to involve yourself more deeply in the community, and we welcome the support of strong mentors. Dates: July 10 through July 22. Location: Mountain Village in Austria. What's included? 10 days of active Rust and Holochain immersive training. Lodging at Alpine Lodge. 13 nights. Single and shared rooms available. Basic meals 13 days, we can accommodate dietary needs such as vegan, gluten-free, allergies. Facilitated and free-form recreation, rest and social time to explore the local nature of the Austrian Alps. Transfer to and from Munich Airport. Program pricing. Single room, 12 nights, with full board, €3,750. Shared room, 12 nights, with full board, €2,650. Scholarships are available for exceptional applicants and those who can help us achieve our goal of building deep and material Rust and Holochain developer skills, in an immersive, rustic, lab-like setting. As stated earlier, if you are an experienced dev and would like to apply for this opportunity, I will leave a link in the video description. Apply now. Promising news for investors. The RDA index has once again placed Holochain at the top of the ranks in many categories. RDA index motivation is for the 250 million people and thousands of institutions want to know the intrinsic value of crypto assets beyond the speculative, exaggeration and hype. The Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, has advised consumers to be cautious when buying crypto assets and should ensure they understand and can bear the risks involved with assets that have no intrinsic value. By intrinsic value, the FCA refers to the intrinsic nature of the crypto asset and not to the mechanism by which it was acquired. RDA index was developed to assess the intrinsic nature of crypto assets. The point system of RDA index helps crypto users, investors and analysts to quantify the intrinsic value of crypto assets and to better manage the risks involved in dealing with the asset class. In the category Top Assets by Utility, the HOT token was rated first overall. In the category Top Assets by Ecosystem, the HOT token was rated second overall in its current state. In the category Top Assets by Intrinsic Value, the HOT token was rated second overall. Now everyone's favorite topic. The RDA index gave their opinion on what the price of the HOT token should be compared to the current price. They have the HOT token listed 60 cents euros. which is equal to 64 cents USD and equal to 81 cents Canadian. 90% of all my YouTube viewers are currently not subscribed to my channel. If you have enjoyed my content, please take a second to subscribe to my channel. Your support is greatly appreciated. Until next time, Lithium X.